नमस्कार फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से स्वागत। फ्रेंड्स, एक न्यूज, हाई कोर्ट स्कोर्स बैंक ऑफ इंडिया फॉर ट्रांसफरिंग स्टाफ अगेंस्ट गाइडलाइंस। एक खबर आ रही है, द पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट हैड admonished the role of official of a nationalized bank who refused to accept the resignation of a woman employee with a newborn child. The woman had resigned in protest as she was transferred from Chandigarh to Rajkot, and her plea for cancellation of the transfer was also rejected. This is a well-known fact that in our country it is very difficult to get a government job. Thus, it cannot be accepted that anyone will resign at her own free will. The petitioner was transferred, ignoring the fact that she is a married woman. Her husband works in Chandigarh and she had delivered a baby just a few months prior to the date of transfer. The bench of Justice Jagmohan Bansal observed. The woman had joined the Bank of India in July 2013 as a general banking officer and was sanctioned maternity leave from October 2016 to April 17. The further sought sick leave till June 30, 2017. While she was on leave, the bank relieved her and directed her to join the Rajkot branch on June 2017. The woman, on account of her ill health and having a young child, could not join Rajkot and repeatedly requested the bank to cancel the transfer order, stating that she was staying in Jirkapur with her spouse, who is working in Chandigarh, and that it was not possible for her to move to Rajkot. As the official did not accede to her request, with no option left, she resigned on December 13, 2018. But even the resignation was not accepted, and in August 2019, departmental proceedings were initiated against her on ground of absence from duty. She had approached the High Court in September 2019, stating that the bank's policy mentioned that a female employee was supposed to be placed where her husband is stationed or as near as possible. The bank, on the other hand, mentioned that the woman employee was supposed to submit her resignation letter at Rajkot. Thus, her resignation could not be accepted. The head office has already rejected her resignation. Thus, her resignation at this stage cannot be accepted, the court was informed. The court recorded that the respondent was a nationalized bank and in violation of its policy, transferred her and then added to her oaths by not accepting her resignation. The approach adopted by the bank seems to be harsh, pedantic, and highly technical. It appears that the authorities have acted in a very mechanical or the ruthless manner. The conduct of the official dealing with this matter needs to be depreciated, the bench said. It is further said the respondent bank is not supposed to behave in a manner in which it did, and that too was with a married woman having child of few months. The petitioner offered resignation because it was impossible for her to join the Rajkot branch. It also said the stand taken by the bank for not accepting resignation was totally baseless, when it could be accepted by the head office. Merely joining at Rajkot had not changed the facts of the case. The court further questioned departmental proceedings and asked the bank to consider her application of resignation within 2 weeks, ignoring her non-joining at Rajkot. The court has also given the woman liberty to initiate contempt of court proceedings if the banks fail to comply with the order. क्लियर कट हाई कोर्ट ने कहा कि यदि बैंक उसके रेजिग्नेशन को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करती है तो इस कोर्ट का कंटेम्प्ट मान के अगेन हमारे पास आ सकती हैं। हाँ, इस बारे में एक बात जरूर कहना है कि बैंक का हेड ऑफिस हो या रीजनल ऑफिस हो, आप जो भी एक्शन ह्यूमन रिसोर्स के मामले में लेते हैं वो हमेशा हार्श और रूथलेस ना होके इस एटीट्यूड से साथ होना चाहिए कि एम्प्लॉइज का फेवर, एम्प्लॉइज का बेनिफिट उसमें जरूर निहित हो। क्योंकि हम अपने स्टाफ को अपना एनिमी मान के कोई एक्शन नहीं ले सकते हैं, उसकी परिस्थितियों को जरूर कंसीडर करना चाहिए। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार।